Aloha everybody, my name is Captain John and this is Think Ocean. I'd like to welcome you to my summer 2020 weekly dive and ocean adventure series. I like scuba diving and surfing, body surfing, free diving through lava tubes and caves, jumping off cliffs into beautiful blue ocean water, and general ocean exploration. And if you like those things too, please subscribe and follow me along for an epic summer of fun, education, and adventure in the beautiful blue oceans. Aloha. Aloha, and welcome to episode 3 of the Think Ocean vlog this summer of 2020. I want to thank all you people that are out there watching my videos. I want to thank you for subscribing. Please share these videos with others and get others to subscribe and watch Think Ocean videos all summer long. I had a great time with Ariel and Chantel this week. I took them down to the beach because I wanted to teach them about algae that grow along the shoreline. Yes, I know algae, and I think they learned something, but I can tell you this, algae are very important and they're very beautiful, and in the future we're going to learn more about them. Check out Ariel's and Chantel's field trip to go learn about algae down on the coastline. And so here we view 2 types of algae. The soft green algae swaying gently in the surf, and that reddish pink color you see on the rocks. Yes, that is algae. It's a hard red algae that forms mats of calcium carbonate. It is known as coralline red algae because they resemble red encrusting coral.
Shut up and sit down.
Ow! Excellent, everybody, summer is here. I'm so psyched for it. The water is flat and it's clean, as you can see here. So I took the drone and I did some shoreline flyovers. That's what this next section of the video is. It's going to be all just right along the shoreline. It's so beautiful, you're going to appreciate it so much. The ocean is magnificent. I titled this section of the video, Where Black Lava Rock Meets the Blue Coral Sea. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll be back after this, and we're going to talk a little bit about coral. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please like, please subscribe if you can. Please share this videos. Trying to make top quality educational videos, not just music videos with diving, all about the ocean. I hope you're enjoying watching. I hope you're learning some things. Again, I'm always learning. I want to always say, stay healthy, keep the oceans clean and keep them healthy. Stay safe in the water. I'm going to put up now a 1-minute promo of an epic video that I'm producing for fall. It's called The State of Coral, and that state is Hawaii. So enjoy the preview. I'll see you next week on Think Ocean. I'm Captain John. Aloha. The beautiful coral, an animal that is essential to a healthy reef system. Yes, coral is an animal that is hard as a rock, yet delicate as a flower. Not too long ago, corals in Hawaii and throughout all the tropics, which don't forget, makes up 25% of the Earth's surface, started to die at alarming rates. The prime culprit? Global warming. The death of coral is a slow and agonizing one, before it turns to ghastly white, where death is mere moments away. It turns an almost translucent fuchsia color in a grand celebration of its once magnificent glory. As I explored the reef over these last years, I found that, miraculously, 1 in about 1,000 corals had lived. I dubbed these corals the reef mothers. It took many years for the reef mothers to spawn, but last year, baby corals started to appear on the reef. These baby corals, however, are in for a long, hard, and perilous journey towards survival. This is their story, and this is Think Ocean.